Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product from Vanatoo. You can go to their website at Vanatoo.com, and these are the Transparent Zero. Now, we reviewed a number of their products over the years. In fact, 7 years ago, we reviewed their transparent ones, and we loved them. In fact, we used them on my desktop for 7 years. If you go listen to the Transparent 1 Encore review that we just did alongside this particular review, you can hear some of my comments regarding that as well. So these guys build a ultra quality, beautiful, highly engineered, well-sounding devices, and I've just been blown away with what they've done with these latest two launches, the Transparent Zero and the Transparent 1 Encore. And still have the original speakers too. I'm not sure I can ever give them up. But these here are some pretty cool speakers they've taken and made, and it's pretty ingenious in how they made them. They're made using high-quality materials and workmanship that you would expect from Vanatoo if you know their other products. It's got an integrated bi-amped 4-channel, 48-watt channel amplifier that gives you ample volume for desktop or small to medium room size use. It's got built-in analog and digital inputs, and it's got built-in Bluetooth, which gives you seamless wireless connection to any phone or laptop computer. And it provides you with a all-in-one musical solution to any home requirement. And the wireless remote control, which is really cool, makes use with TV a breeze. One of the things I really like about the wireless remote control too is it has an auto feature. You can either select the inputs directly, whether it's analog, Bluetooth, USB, optical, or coax, or you can hit auto. And so I've been able to use it with multiple things on my desktop, like sometimes my desktop, my laptop, whichever one starts playing, it automatically starts going over there. Just really ingenious. And it made it so I didn't have to have multiple desktop speakers sitting around. It's a true two-way stereo speakered system that's powered. It's a Bluetooth wireless connection with aptX technology. It's got the full feature remote control. You can treble, bass, all that good stuff. Quick 2-minute setup with plug-in speaker connections, auto input switching with digital silence detection. It's got reversible design for desktop or in-room use. It's pretty cool. You can actually turn these either way to angle towards your face and your ears, of course. It's got Vanatoo's clear bass technology, volume, bass, and treble controls, subwoofer output with auto sense, 9mm wood cabinets with satin black finish, low power sleep mode, best in class bass extension and full range response, magnetically attached grills, Vanatoo insulation pads, which are good to set them on so they don't get scratched, 3-year warranty, customizable configurations, LED brightness, bass response, subwoofer crossover, amp limiters, mono mode, sleep settings, and enable key function. It's got like this program you can do into it, which is really kind of cool. The wireless has got Bluetooth aptX, which is near CD quality and simple ease of use that just makes everything sound good. You can, of course, stream through your favorite streaming services. On the ClearBass technology, Vanatoo's ClearBass technology enables the Transparent Zero to produce lower bass than virtually any other speakers or size, producing the warm, rich tones but that the artist probably wanted. And it does that with ClearBass, which employs a custom aluminum cone woofer with underhung voice coil, a long-stroke passive radiator, bi-amped 48 per channel, high-efficiency amplifier, and a 24-bit digital signal processor, all optimized together in one integrated system to provide an in-room frequency of 56 hertz to 20 kilohertz. There's no mid-bass hump. Basically, that's what they've taken and done with this to make it sound exceptional. I got to tell you, it's pretty darn cool. It's beautiful the way it plays. 4-inch aluminum cone woofer with a 1-inch overhung voice coil, 4-inch long throw passive radiator, 1-inch soft dome tweeter on the drivers. The design on it is an 8th order DSP derived Butterworth high pass 58 hertz and an 8th order DSP derived Linkwitz Riley crossover at 2200 hertz. Assisted passive radiator bass reflex system and 2-way bi-amplified active speaker. These things rock. I mean, they just kick butt, and they sound good, and they have actually a pretty good darn bass to them. I was pretty impressed with them. So I think you will be too. The Bluetooth and aptX for wireless connection runs well as an input. The USB audio with up to 48K at 16 bits, the Toslink optical up to 96K at 24 bits, and 3.5 millimeter analog input ADAC sampled at 48K at 24 bits. These guys just really kicked butt with what they put into this product, and it's a high quality product. It's a little bit more inexpensive than the Transparent Zero Encore, or Transparent One Encore, I should say. But I think you'll love these speakers. They're definitely freaking awesome. These guys make just beautiful products, well engineered, great sound. The last set, like I said, we had for 7 years, and they just kicked butt for us. Highly recommend the product. Go to Vanatoo.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.